Hey everyone, welcome to Marcus Fixes Stuff, the show where I teach you how to make repairs at home so you don't have to pay for an expensive repairman. Today we're doing a first on Marcus Fixes Stuff. It's going to be an easy job, but a very important job. Because we're going to fix this toilet. First time we've done some plumbing work. It's not really plumbing, it's actually just fixing this handle. And if you need to flush, well, you need to flush. So what's happened is this mechanism is broken on the inside. We're going to just take the old one out and put a new one in. Let's get started. Before we start, we're going to turn the water off and then we're going to drain the tank just so we don't have the chance of water going everywhere. All right, we're going to take the lid off the tank. If you look right here, you see there's no lever attached to this handle. That lever is the thing that pulls the plunger up, drains all the water out of that tank. If you look at the bottom of the tank, you'll see that the lever is down there. Now we already turned the water off, so we're going to reach down in here and we're going to drain the tank, mainly because we're going to be using all this anyway. We don't want to waste water and have that water keep coming up each time. Now if you'll see, it's just connected by a little clasp to this chain. We're going to take the old one off. We're going to hook this one right there so we don't have to go back down too deep, and we're going to throw this away. We're going to put the new one on. Okay, we're going to take the old handle off, and it's just got a big nut right here. Oh look, I didn't even need any pliers. Sometimes you do, you might want to have pliers handy in case you need to loosen this, but we're just going to take it off with our hand. Like so. Force the old one out, and there you go. Now we're going to get the new one and put it on, put it all together. It should work great. All right, so this is the new one. I paid like $18 for this. You can get them cheaper. I've seen them for $10. You might even be able to get cheaper online. I just went to a local hardware store and picked this up. It's heavy, and to me, heavy means good. So we're going to take this out, put it on there. It's universal, should be great. Okay, you can see these little red clips here. We're going to pull this clip out, and then that's going to free this arm up so we can slide it off. Now we can put the new handle on, which I'd like to do first. And that actually sits in there very nicely. We're going to tighten it. Don't over tighten it. You don't want to break any of this because it's just plastic. But that's nice. Okay, now we're going to put the arm back on. And then we're going to put that clip back into place. And you can see that this is touching right here. We don't want to do that. So this has another little red clip right here. We're going to pull it out and we're going to slide this arm to about right there. You see how I did that? I just picked it up. It locks into place, so there's no play in it. There's no movement. I'm going to put that red clip back in. Take our plunger and we're going to hook it to the new arm. It's got little pre-drilled holes, and that's all we're going to do is go through there. We're going to have to adjust the arm a little bit because we don't want that to be stuck open. Works just like the other one did. There we go. All right. Looks good to me. Let's go see how much money we save doing this ourselves, and then we're going to test this thing out and make sure it works. If you call a plumber to your house to do this repair, it's going to cost you anywhere from $50 to $120. That's an average of $85. I paid $18 for this new handle. Now, you can get them for cheaper. You can pay $10, but I'm going to use $18 because that's what I paid. That's a savings of $67. Again, we're saving money by doing it ourselves. That's why we do it. Now, let's go back and see if it works. Okay, I've turned the water supply back on. I filled the tank back up. This is secure. Checked inside the tank. Always double check, make sure there's no leaks or the water's not running. And if you listen, water's not running. There's only one thing left to do. Oh, well actually there's two. One, wash your hands when you're done with this. But two, let's make sure it works. Oh, actually, could I have a little privacy, please? Sounds like it works for me. Looks like another job well done. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you to everybody that subscribed. It really means a lot to me, and I really do appreciate it. Have a great Christmas, because it is Christmas time, and I will see you again when something else breaks. God bless.